Y'all, we got some beautiful air fried and smoked chicken wings. Guys, I'm gonna show you how to make it, and I'm gonna show you that we did these from frozen to perfection. You're not gonna wanna miss this one. So the first thing I wanna show you here is these are frozen. All right, I put them in the fridge to thaw, but they didn't quite get all the way thawed, right? So a lot of people ask me if you can go straight from the freezer to the Ninja Woodfire, to the Ninja Foodie Grill, all the stuff I've done over the years, all the air fryer stuff, right? And yes, you can. I don't tend to recommend it, but sometimes like stuff like this happened today where it did not thaw all the way through. So we had to roll with it. So as you can see, these wings are still frozen, right? You'll see little, ice crystals around and all that. All we did was break them up a bit, got them cleaned off, got them dried. We're gonna spray them down with a little avocado oil, but you can use whatever oil you wanna use. And then we season them up with my West Coast shake. Guys, links down below. You wanna get one of these. This is my own personal rub. You guys are gonna love it. It's great on wings. It's great on anything, okay? Once we got them seasoned up, we put them in the air crisp basket. Now I'm using the XL Woodfire out there, but you guys can use whatever Woodfire you got, right? This will work just fine in the Woodfire oven if you got it. But once we get outside, I'll show you how we're gonna set up the Woodfire so it gives it plenty of smoke and plenty of air crisp time to help get them defrosted, cooked all the way through, and a nice crispy skin. The pellets we're gonna use are Smokin pecan pellets. I really like the way they taste. They give out plenty of smoke. They're made from 100% natural pecan shells, not actual wood, so they burn a little bit longer and a bit cleaner. If you use my link down below, it'll save you 10% on your first order, so check it out. Real quick before we go outside, I want to tell you guys about my e-cookbooks. Now I have 4 of them for the Ninja Woodfire Grill, and I have one for the Ninja Woodfire Oven. Okay, for that Woodfire Grill, they're $5 each, but if you buy all 4 in that bundle, it knocks it down to 15 bucks, save you $5, right? And trust me guys, it helps out your boy, it helps out the channel, helps me make great content for y'all, right? Right. All right, nothing left to do, but let's get outside and get these wings on. What do you say? See, we are outside, got our Ninja Woodfire XL grill. We're gonna go ahead and turn that bad boy on. Hello, what's going on? All right, mode, we're going to air crisp. I'm gonna bump it up to 400 because like we talked about, these are already frozen. I'm gonna take the time to 25 minutes. Come on, get there slowly, 25 minutes. There we go. I'm gonna hit that Woodfire flavor button, right? Because we're gonna get that good crispy air crispness, right? But we're also gonna give it that good wood fiber smoke. We got some Smokin pecan pellets in there. Let's go ahead and hit start. We already have our grill plate in there. It's air basket's gonna sit on it. So we're gonna let it go through the ignition process and get those wings in. Saying to add the food. So that's what we're gonna do. Right, let's get our basket in there. So we got some smoke rolling. We got our wings on, skin side down first. And about halfway through, we're gonna give them a flip, get that skin real crispy. It's yelling at me to shut the lid, so let's shut that lid. All right, y'all, we're a little more than halfway through. Still got that smoke rolling. We are looking good. Now it's time to flip these bad boys over and finish them up. Just go through. Now that skin side is gonna get nice and crispy. The bottom side has got its color. Looking good. When I get these all flipped, we're gonna do a temp check on them. They might be close to being temperature done, but I like to get them all the way crispy, all the way done. And the good thing about wings is they can be forgiving. All right, that means that you can cook them to more than just done, okay? So you can get these going to, 180, 190 and still have a nice tender wing. Good flavor. And there's our last one. Let's go ahead and get a temp check on one of the big boys here. All right, so we're at 148. So the big boys are gonna be done a little bit, they're gonna take a little bit longer. Let's see, the flats, 175. Okay, even like the littler drum nets are 158, so those are about done too. So that next 10 minutes, 11 minutes that we got on there, they're gonna finish these up, crisp them up real nice, and get us where we wanna be temp-wise. Let's shut it down. All right, team, wings are done. Let's take a look, baby. Beautiful color, gonna be nice and crispy, cooked all the way through. You know you love it. Let's get them inside and give them a taste test. All right, before we get them inside, jump the gun. We want to take some temps with our lightning instant read here. That's 175. It's perfect. We're good to go on those. The flats will be completely cooked, so we're not worried about those. Yeah, even over 190, we're good. Now let's get them in the house. All right, y'all, we're back inside. The wings are done, looking nice and crispy and tasty. We'll get a little focused on that, but that's some beautiful color. Nice and smoky. We got to get a bite. Oh, that's perfect. God, napkin worthy. Guys, that's a great tasting wing right there. It's got a little crisp, but again, when you're cooking it for frozen, that's why I don't really suggest it, but it works in a pinch. It's cooked all the way through. It's perfect. Got great flavor from my West Coast shake. Plug. It's got that smoke flavor on it too. All the fat in that skin is nice and rendered through the actual chicken wing, so it's too dang good. And in the comments below, tell me, are you team flats or team drums? Now, in my opinion, there's only one answer, and that's team flats. But we can argue about it in the comments, right? Right. Listen, if you want to get one of these Woodfire grills, I'll have a link down below. It is an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you any more to use it, but it helps out your boy. For knives, cutting boards, merch, all the stuff I use in my videos, links are all down below. If you'd like to become a show producer like all the awesome people scrolling in front of me right now, people that love a good wing, little air crisp and smoked wing, there are two ways to join up. Either you hit that Patreon link in my video description, or you hit the join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.